Mga higala, kumusta? Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan, and welcome once again to Panglantaw sa Kagabihion. Sa dili pa nato sugdan ng ato ang panaghisgot-hisgot mga igsoon, ato sang i-shout out kini ato ang mga likers, nag-heart sa ato ang live kani atong nangagi pag yung gabi. Tungod kay kagabi wala ta makapahigayon sa ato ang live. Mikan kay naigilakaw kininyo igsoon, no? Atong gi-shout out si Ma'am Rowena Isumandag, Mirian Ricla de la Sirna, Pastor Yong Monleon Mukigangay Jr., Jeffrey Pitogo, and Marlene Nagit. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagtanaw, paminaw, ini nga to ang matagabi, no? Dili man matagabi tungod kay usahay na tay lakaw, pero at least naatay maka-live pud ta usahay, no? Tonight's message is simple, pero sakit kaayo para sa uban. Why do some people get angry when you speak the truth? Naikot nga nag-viral karon, ang tanging taong nagagalit sa iyo dahil sa pagsasalita mo ng katotohanan ay yung mga taong nabubuhay sa kasinungalingan. And that statement is not just social media wisdom. It is biblical. Jesus himself said in John chapter 8 verse 32, "And you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free." O tan-aw nato, when truth sets people free, those who benefit from lies get angry. When truth brings light, those who hide in darkness react violently. Mao gyud ning realidad. People who live in deception get offended by honesty. Truth is uncomfortable. Truth is sharp. Truth is a mirror people avoid because it shows who they really are. That is why, mga higala, dili sila masuko tungod kay sayop ka. Masuko sila tungod kay tama ka. Jesus said in John chapter 3 verse 20, "Everyone who does evil hates the light and does not come into the light for fear that their deeds will be exposed." Klaro kaayo. Those who hate truth do so because truth exposes them. If your words stir anger, it's not because your words are wrong. It's because your words are revealing. Truth shines a light on their motives. Truth shakes their comfort. Truth destroys their illusions. Ug ang tao nga nanginabuhi sa bakak, dili gyud ganahan nga ma-expose. Kung motindog ka sa kamatuoran, ayaw pagdahom nga makadawat kag bulak. Most of the time, makadawat kag bato. People will criticize you. They will twist your intentions. They will label you arrogant, biased, divisive, or inconsiderate. But remember that the Apostle Paul said in Galatians chapter 4 verse 16, "Have I now become your enemy because I am telling you the truth?" Dili ba maugyod ni atong experience? The moment you see the truth, suddenly you become the enemy in the eyes of those who cannot handle it. You are not their enemy. Truth is their enemy. Dili tanan masakitan sa Tinuod. Only those who built their comfort on lies feel attacked. People living in truth feel peace when they hear truth. People living in falsehood feel threatened by it. Ingon pa sa Proverbs chapter 12 verse 19, truthful lips endure forever, but a lying tongue lasts only a moment. So why do they attack you? Because lies cannot survive long in the presence of truth. Truth does not require shouting. Truth does not require manipulation. Truth does not beg to be believed. Truth stands on its own. Kung magsulti ka o tinuod and people get angry, remember this. Their reaction is their confession. The anger of dishonest people is proof that your words touched the places they wanted to hide. The irritation of liars is proof that your light reached the corners where their darkness rests. Kung naigo sila, dili tungod kay imong tumong mo igo. Naigo sila kay tinuod imong gisulti. What should you do? Keep speaking truth. Ayaw kahadlok. Ayaw huno. Ayaw balik sa kangit-ngit tungod kay nasuko ang uban. The Bible says in Ephesians chapter 4 verse 25, therefore, each of you must put off falsehood and speak truthfully to your neighbor. God commands us to speak truth, honesty, boldly, and without fear. And when the world reacts with hostility, remember, truth does not shake. Truth does not bend. Truth does not hide. Because truth comes from God. Let me say this clearly. If your honesty disturbs someone, it means your honesty is powerful. If your truth angers those who live in deception, it means your voice is shaking their lies. If your presence irritates those who hide in darkness, it means your light is shining. Dili ikaw ang problema. Dili imong pagka-sinsiro. Dili imong pagka-matinud-anon. Ang problema, mao ang mga tao nga dili kadaog sa tinuod kay naanad sila sa bakak. Stand firm. Speak truth. Walk in light. Kay ingon pa sa Psalm chapter 37 verse 6, He will make your righteousness shine like the dawn, your justice like the noonday sun. This is panglantaw sa kagabhion where truth is not just spoken, it is defended. Ang panglantaw sa kagabhion, di nagadanang bisan pa sa kangit-ngit. Kini inyong higala, alagad, ug igsuon, Jeremias Labaho Tubigon, sa makausap pa mo ingon, nga sa atong pagpangandoy ug matarong katilingban, ang kamatuuran gayud ang atong suga. Ug sa kangit-ngit sa kasaysayan, ang tinud-anay nga pamunuan, ang labing hayag nga paglaom. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagtanaw, pagpaminaw. Shout out Juliet Pakilit nga nagtanaw nato karon. Ug ang Dios magapanalangin ug magapanalangin ug magapanalangin kanatong tanan. Mayong gabi.